This is a demo of out-of-band authentication with SecuPi. I have a dbeaver database management tool. I can connect to my gateway that I created for multiple Postgres environments, and if I'll do anything other than this username, my username, let's say Postgres, which is a default user, if I'll try to connect with that, I'll get a SecuPi message that says SecuPi, Postgres does not have organization permissions. That means this user is not allowed to authenticate at all, regardless of the user in the database. So I'm going to use my username, noam.dror@secupi.com, and I'm going to authenticate. What would happen now is that I'm getting a push notification in my Okta Verify application, and I'm clicking yes, it's me. Once I click yes, it's me, I will be able to inject the generic credentials into this Postgres and run a query. So now that I have a query working, I'm going to show you how it looks like in SecuPi. So within SecuPi, I'm going to show the dashboard. The dashboard will contain all the events that people are doing with the database. So this is my select query. As you can see, noam.dror@secupi.com, which doesn't exist in Postgres, is the user, where did I come from, what are the roles I have in the database, what are the roles I got from the user attributes. This came from Okta, from the OAuth attribute, and I can see what was the select query, what kind of tables and classification I got. I can also assign a risk score to the data and a transaction score. So I see everything within the dashboard that can also be sent into your SIEM, SOC, or any kind of analytics platform. I can also configure who has access to it. Right now I configure it to be generic with no condition. So I said anyone with no condition can connect to the database and we will apply the credentials for them. But I can say, no, I need to know something about the user, and that would be, for example, an ABAC rule that says you need to match the user attribute, for example, a clearance or group membership or anything like that, with the data that I have. So this is how I create rules to decide who has access to what database and what type of permissions. That's it for now.